Hi friends, it's Mrs. McCarver and it's time for today's math lesson. Today we're going to continue working through some problems together and we are going to use something to represent it, like our cubes or our counters, and we're also going to focus on drawing again today, so I have my whiteboard ready. All right, so if you need to pause the video to get those things, you can, and if you're ready to go, here we go. Here's our first problem. It says, Ben saw 4 clowns at the circus. Some clowns had pink hair and some clowns had blue hair. How many clowns had pink hair? How many had blue hair? Do you need to hear that problem again? Let me read it. Ben saw 4 clowns at the circus. Some clowns had pink hair and some had blue hair. How many clowns had pink hair? How many had blue hair? What would you do first to solve this problem? You're right, we need to represent it in some way. So if I want to represent it, I might choose my cubes, or I might choose to draw. So what would we represent first? We need to represent the clowns. Sorry, it's kind of a tongue twister. How many clowns are there? That's right, there were 4 clowns. So I'm going to draw 4 circles. These are my clowns. No, let's see, I'm trying to get them all in the view. There we go. So these are my 4 clowns. Some of them had what? Some had pink hair, and the others had blue hair. You're right. Are you following along? You could be drawing it, or you could be showing it on your cubes. So now we need to decide, our job is to figure out how many clowns had pink hair and how many clowns had blue hair. I'm thinking today, to represent this in my drawing, I'm going to use a line, because I'm really taking these clowns and breaking them into 2 groups. The group with pink hair and the group with blue hair. I'm thinking I'm going to make it like this. This is my group with pink hair, so I'm going to write a P. And this is my group with blue hair, and I'm going to write a B. Can you tell how many clowns had pink hair? That's right, I think 2. How many clowns had blue hair? Maybe you did it the same way. There were 2 clowns with pink hair and 2 clowns with blue hair. Is that the only way we can represent these clowns? Let me try a different way. Can you think of a different way? Let's see. Now I'm going to draw my line here. Here are my pink clowns with pink hair, and here are my clowns with blue hair. Oops, sorry, friends. How many clowns had pink hair in my drawing this time? That's right, there were 3 with pink hair and 1 with blue hair. Can you think of one more way? Or did you try something different? What if I drew my line here? These are my clowns with pink hair, and these are my clowns with blue hair. How many clowns had pink hair? You got it. How many clowns had blue hair? 3. 1 with pink, 3 with blue. That shows you another way you can represent your thinking through drawings. Let's see. Let's try another problem. This one says, Lisa has 5 cookies. She puts some on a red plate and some on a blue plate. How many cookies might Lisa put on each plate? Listen to that again. Lisa has 5 cookies. She puts some on a red plate and some on a blue plate. How many cookies might Lisa put on each plate? So what do we need to represent in this problem? That's right, we're going to represent cookies. How many cookies does Lisa have? She has 5. Okay, so what are we going to do with these? Where is she putting the cookies? Oh, she's going to put some on the red plate and she's going to put some on the blue plate. Well, how many could go on each plate? I could take my 5 cubes, which represent the cookies, put some in one plate and some in the other. What about 2 on the red plate and 3 on the blue plate? Is that still my 5 cookies? What about this? Let me try a different way. What about 4 on the red plate and 1 on the blue plate? Still 5 cookies. What if you chose to draw this? What might that look like? We're still representing 5 cookies, and where are we putting them? That's right, we're putting some on the red plate and some on the blue plate. So this is my red plate, this is my blue plate. Now let me draw some cookies. How many am I going to draw? I'm going to draw 5. If I draw 1, 2 cookies on this plate, 3, 4, 5. So how many are on the red plate? 2. How many are on the blue plate? 3. That make 5? 2 and 3? You got it. Let's see if we can do it another way. I still have my red plate and my blue plate. This time I think I'm going to put 1 cookie on the blue plate. Let's see. If I have 1 there, that means 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are going on the red plate? That's right, 4 cookies. Very good. So this shows you just another way that you can represent a different type of problem by using our cubes or by drawing.